Welcome to GK Studios. This video is for top 6 new cars yet to be launched in 2020. New Honda City. New Honda City is expected to launch in July 2020, and expected to price between 10 to 15 lakhs, ex-showroom. MG, Hector Plus. Please subscribe to GK Studios and press the bell icon for instant notifications. MG Hector Plus is expected to launch in June 2020, and expected to price between 14 to 19 lakhs, ex-showroom. Kia. Sonet. Kia Sonet is expected to launch in August 2020, is expected to be priced aggressively, in the range of 7 to 11 lakhs, ex-showroom. Tata Gravitas. Please subscribe to GK Studios and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Tata Gravitas is expected to launch in December 2020, and expected to price between 18 to 22 lakhs, ex-showroom. Mahindra Thar. Mahindra Thar is expected to launch in August 2020, and expected to price between 11 to 13 lakhs, ex-showroom. Hyundai, next generation i20. Hyundai i20 is expected to launch in India sometime in second half of 2020. Is expected to be priced between 6 lakh to 10 lakh. Ex-showroom. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to GK Studios and press the bell icon for instant notifications.